Hello, I'm Dan, your resident EDDM guide. Thanks for joining us. In this 5-part video series, we'll take you through USPS's EDDM service and break down its uses and its benefits. We'll talk to small business owners about their experiences and what they can get out of EDDM. And we'll show you the complete process of creating a successful direct mail campaign. But first, maybe you're wondering, what exactly is EDDM? Good question. EDDM is a marketing mail service from the USPS, which stands for Every Door Direct Mail. The EDDM online tool allows you to target potential customers by selecting actual mail routes within specific zip codes or neighborhoods. Here's an example. Let's say you're a political consultant and you're gearing up for a new campaign. With EDDM, you can reach constituents based on their specific geographic location and district. And using the EDDM online tool, you can pinpoint a zip code and the mail routes that are on it. The tool also uses Census Bureau data, so you can even see key demographics like age, income, or the number of people living in a household. There's even dedicated support for political mailings. Check out the link below for more on that. And that's just politics. If you run a small to medium-sized business, you can just imagine how useful that reach could be. Say you just opened a restaurant and you want to get the word out about your grand opening. Or you're a local retailer who wants to advertise a sale. Or you're a real estate broker who wants to focus on a particular part of town. In all of these cases, EDDM is the perfect tool. It ensures your message reaches the individuals that matter to your business, so you can be savvy with your marketing budget. Now, there are 2 types of EDDM mailings. There's Every Door Direct Mail Retail, which is perfect for most small businesses. And if you've got a larger campaign, you can use EDDM BMEU, which stands for Business Mail Entry Unit. Looking at EDDM Retail first, it's simple and straightforward. You can send up to 5,000 pieces of mail a day to any zip code. All you need is a USPS.com account. And you can pay for your postage online, or when you drop your mailers at the post office. You don't need to worry about mailing lists, there's no permit required, and there's no annual fee. Super easy. Or if you've got a larger campaign, EDDM BMEU is the way to go. For this, you'll need a business customer gateway account and a bulk mailing permit, but there's no limit on the number of mailers you can send per day. You just drop them off at a business mail acceptance location. Once again, easy. So there you go. Coming up, we'll take a look at how to use the EDDM online tool, and we'll hear from some real people about how they use EDDM to support their businesses. Thanks for watching.